Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into something really special in TallyPrime 7.0, and I'll tell you right now, it's about so much more than just crunching numbers. We're talking about a genuine shift in power, one that puts you firmly back in control of your business operations. It's all about becoming self-reliant, especially for those of you with an active Tally software services subscription. But first, let me ask you something. What happens when your entire business just stops? Picture this. It's the absolute last day to file your GST returns. The pressure is on, you're in the zone, and right as you go to hit submit, everything freezes. The system crashes. You know that horrible sinking feeling in the pit of your stomach? Yeah, that's what we're talking about. It's a moment of panic no one should have to go through. We call this invisible friction. It's this silent productivity killer that just eats away at your business. It's all those hours you spend on hold with a support line, it's that looming fear of missing a critical compliance deadline, and it's the raw frustration of having your entire workflow grind to a halt because of a technical glitch. For the longest time, troubleshooting these issues has been like trying to solve a black box mystery. A problem pops up, but the reason why? Who knows? It's a total enigma. You're left completely in the dark, totally dependent, just waiting for an expert to show up and figure it all out while your business is stuck in neutral.
Well, that old way of doing things, it's over. With TallyPrime 7.0, we're stepping into a completely new era of self-reliance. Tally has built an entire troubleshooting ecosystem right into the software, and it's designed to put the power of diagnostics and repair directly into your hands.
I mean, just look at this shift. We are moving away from that old world of dependence, the black box, waiting forever for support, all those lost hours, and we're stepping into a new reality of independence. We're talking full visibility into your system's health, self-healing technology, and instant diagnosis to make sure your business literally never misses a beat.
So how does it all work? Well, it's all built on three incredibly powerful pillars. First, there's visibility, so you can actually see what's happening under the hood. Second is self-healing, which allows the system to intelligently find and fix problems on its own. And third, speed, which transforms hours or even days of downtime into just a few minutes of diagnosis.
Okay, that all sounds great in theory, right? But how does it actually work when you need it? Let's pull back the curtain and take a look inside this troubleshooting ecosystem. Let's see your new command center.
And here's the best part. Getting there is ridiculously simple. No more hunting through complicated menus. You just press F1 for help, click on troubleshooting, and boom, you're looking at a dynamic dashboard that gives you a complete, real-time picture of your system's health. It's all right there.
I love this way of thinking about it. This new diagnostics hub, it's like having a tiny mechanic living inside your software. It's constantly monitoring everything, your application, your license, your server connections, and it flags potential issues before they have a chance to turn into a full-blown crisis. It's proactive, not reactive. Now, one of the most powerful tools you get is the event log. Think about it. In the past, when Tally shut down unexpectedly, it was a total guessing game. What happened? Why? Now, the event log gives you a clear, step-by-step story of exactly what the system was doing right before the crash, in plain, simple language. No more guesswork. For anyone who manages IT or the system itself, this is an absolute game changer. The event log is basically the black box flight recorder for your accounting system. It gives you the critical data you need to find the root cause of the problem, whether it was a memory spike, a network hiccup, or something else, so you can fix it for good. And what about data corruption? That's the nightmare scenario for any business. Well, with something called zero command repair, that worry practically disappears. If Tally detects something's wrong, maybe after a sudden power outage, it'll just ask you if you want to fix it. You click one button and the system automatically scans, isolates, and repairs the problem. Your data's integrity is restored in minutes. It's amazing. Okay, and we've all been here, right? In an office with multiple users, when the system gets slow, the blame game starts. Is it the accounting software? Is it the network? The server? Well, the new connectivity diagnostic tool puts a stop to all that finger pointing. It analyzes the entire connection and tells you exactly where the slowdown is coming from. Problem solved. So we've gone through all these incredible features, but let's get down to brass tacks. What does this all actually mean for your business, for your bottom line? Because this isn't just about cool new tools. It's about building a business that is fundamentally more resilient and, honestly, more profitable. It's a simple phrase, but it is so true. Downtime is money. Every minute your system is down is a direct hit to your revenue. Think about it. If your 3-person accounting team can't work for just 2 hours,
That's 6 hours of lost productivity. That's delayed invoices, missed payment cycles, and a huge compliance risk. This tool pays for itself the very first time it prevents that from happening. But really, the ultimate benefit, the thing that changes everything, is independence. TallyPrime 7.0 empowers your team to solve the vast majority of technical issues themselves, right then and there. Tally stops being just software and becomes a self-sufficient partner in your business. And keeping your TSS subscription active, that's what ensures this partner always has the latest tools to protect your business and keep you running smoothly. So at the end of the day, this new release gives you more than just features. It gives you peace of mind. It gives you the freedom to focus on what you actually do best, growing your business. So the question isn't whether you need this. The real question is, are you ready to embrace a future of truly uninterrupted growth?